Today I'm going to show you how to play House of the Rising Sun by The Animals. So, first chord A minor, pick the 5th string, sweep pick the next 3 strings, so where your pick lands on the next string, alright? So 4, 3, 2, and then go up, up, up on the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd string, alright? So again, down, 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 up, up, up. Okay, next chord is C, do the same thing. Do a D, start on the 4th string, pick the 4th string again. Then go to F, pick the low string, skip a string. Same thing. Alright, back to A minor. E major, pick the low string, skip a string. A minor again. E major. Alright, so that's the intro. I'll do it again here. So A minor. C, D, F, A minor, E, A minor, E. If the bar chord F is too hard, you can make one of these Fs with barring just the first 2 strings here, and your 2nd and 3rd finger here. So you do that after D, right? So from D, F, a little one like this. That's a tricky switch, so you have to practice that a bit. Alright, so then they start singing. It's pretty close to the same chord progression. It's A minor. Alright, C, D, F, then A minor again, C, then E twice, then A minor, C, F, A minor, E major, then back to the beginning where it's A minor, C, D, F. Alright, so the whole thing. Beginning, A minor, C, D, F, A. Vocals. Oh, sorry, C, E, A, and then you're back to the beginning, all right? So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Any requests, leave them in the comments. And if you find these videos helpful and informative and would like to show your appreciation, you can leave a comment or give an upvote. Thank you.